मुझे I am furious and my blood is burning and it's boiling the way they have killed innocent lives, and their lives should also be now killed.
A horrific terrorist attack has shaken the nation. On 22nd April 2026, innocent lives were lost in broad daylight in Pahalgam, Kashmir. Among the victims were 25 tourists and a local horse rider who bravely tried to save the lives of others. Amidst this tragedy, a powerful message has emerged from Khushbu Patani, the sister of actress Disha Patani and a former Indian Army officer. I was in the Indian Army and I was posted in Kashmir for 2 years. I have seen Pahalgam. I know the nooks and corners of that place. We need to stop saying this was a terrorist attack. This is the Pakistani Army's doing. In her passionate Instagram post, Khushbu condemned the attack and firmly believes that the Pakistani Army is directly responsible for the bloodshed.
कहते हैं कि वॉर लास्ट रिजॉर्ट होना चाहिए, मतलब जंग तब लड़ी जाए जब सारे दरवाजे बंद हो गए हों. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब शायद सारे दरवाजे बंद हो गए हैं. 75 साल से तो हम झेल ही रहे हैं इन पाकिस्तानियों को और ये पाकिस्तान को. हो गया बहुत ड्रामा प्यार का और शांति का और इसका उसका. हम लोग जनरली क्या है ना, हम खुद से इतना झूठ बोलते रहते हैं चीज़ों को लेके. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ रिलीजियस मैटर, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ अ रिलीजियस मैटर. द वे दे हैव किल्ड हिंदूज in Pahalgam, of course it is a religious matter, and now I think Pakistan army is involved. Okay, I don't. कोई कैसे कर सकता है भाई, ऐसे कैसे आ सकता है?
Khushbu's anger is clear as she demands action beyond the usual surgical strikes and airstrikes. Drawing from her experience as a former major in the Indian Army, she asserts that the time for negotiations and peace talks has passed. I am sure our Prime Minister will take some action, but for how long will we stick to doing airstrikes and surgical attacks? It's time for a proper war now. Like other countries do it to save their own country and people. Like Israel attacked Gaza and Palestine, and like Russia has declared war on Ukraine, India must also now declare war on Pakistan. In her emotional message, Khushbu emphasizes that India has the resources to take stronger, decisive action. She also believes that this issue is not just about the recent attack but about the ongoing hostility driven by what she refers to as the Pakistani Jihad agenda.
Being the part of this fraternity, being a part of Indian Army, as an ex-major, I feel that हमारे पास अच्छी खासी forces हैं, है ना? 15 लाख से ऊपर forces हैं हमारे पास. अब हो जाना चाहिए, अब इतना सोचना नहीं चाहिए. और बिल्कुल ही कहते हैं ना ऐसे. अब एनी पर्सन इन कश्मीर ऑल्सो हु फील कि भाई दे आर एंटी नेशनलिस्ट, उनको भी बिल्कुल अब निकाल देना चाहिए, बिल्कुल ख़त्म ही करो. अब इट इज़ पाकिस्तान आर्मी, ठीक है, और हमारी जो फौज है वो वेल इक्विप्ड है, वेल ट्रेंड है. ऑर्डर मिलने की तैयारी होनी चाहिए और इन चीज़ों को लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये तो इनका तो जिहाद ही है पूरा गेम. और ये भारतीयों को पसंद नहीं करते, चाहे वो कोई भी रिलीजन धर्म के हो, मैं बता रही हूँ. सो अभी यहाँ पर इतना ये सोचना कि यार ये हम सब नेगोशिएट कर लेंगे, ये कर लेंगे, वो कर लेंगे. हो गया नेगोशिएट, 75 साल से ऊपर हो गया, नेगोशिएट ही चल रहा है अभी लेट्स मतलब इनका खत्म करो अभी. अब कोई भी प्यार व्यार बोल रहा है, तुम अपने पहले लोगों को समझाओ कि क्या होता है, पहले अच्छी तालीम दो उनको, उसके बाद जाके हमें ज्ञान देना कि क्या है क्या नहीं है.
Khushbu's video quickly went viral, striking a chord with many people across the country who are deeply angered and hurt by the attack. It has sparked widespread support for her call for stronger action.
मुझे I am furious and my blood is burning and it's boiling the way they have killed innocent lives, and their lives should also be now killed.
While the nation continues to grieve, the attack in Pahalgam has also ignited a powerful call for action. As India mourns, voices like Khushbu Patani's are reminding everyone that sometimes strength is the only language that speaks loud enough. What will happen next? Will India take the decisive steps that Khushbu is calling for? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the nation stands united in its resolve to protect its people.